Good day, everybody. Today we're going to do lesson plan 14, grade 5, term 2, and our topic is round of length. This is your link then to the CAPS. Then what we're going to do is you're going to plan and prepare your resources, read through your did you know or your quote. Remember, this is to create a love for mathematics, to see it in real life, and to understand it. Then what we're going to look at the dictionary, we're going to look at what length means and what rounding off means. Um, so I want you to pause and then quickly go through this. Then today's mental mathematics, it's mixed times tables. So I just quickly going to remove the answers. So you're going to ask these 10 questions to the learners. They're going to answer it and you're going to pause, come back and I'm going to reveal the answers. Okay, so I reveal the answers and you can quickly mark it. Let's then start with today's lesson. So we will rather say that we traveled 1,000 kilometers than saying that we traveled 9,995 kilometers. It's just much easier. So a lot of times when we work with length, we round it off. So today we're going to look at rounding off to centimeters, to millimeters, and then or to meters, and then again to meters, and then to kilometers. Remember also the rounding off symbol that we use. Um, I quickly want you just to pause and look at the examples, but we're going to look at it more in depth when I'm going to show you examples in the worksheet section. So let's quickly see. So what the question is that we're going to round off 6 millimeters or 3 millimeters. So what we do is we first need to ask 6 millimeters. If we round it off to the nearest centimeters, between which centimeter will we find 6 millimeters? So I made a number line here. So I just increased it. It's not the actual length, but to understand it better. So I've got 1 centimeter or I got 10 millimeters here. So if I round off 3, it's going to go to 0. And I've around 6 millimeters off, it's closer to 1 centimeter. So what I want you to do is I want you to use your number lines. Every time say where is 17 millimeters, it's between 1 and 2 centimeters. Or first start off by saying it's between 10 millimeters and 20 millimeters, and then the centimeters. Here, the 42, it's between 40 millimeters and 50 millimeters, and then you convert by saying it's between 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find it more or less on the number line, and then you're going to round it off. Please make sure to see in what intervals are we counting. For instance, here we counted 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Here we started with 11, 12, 13. So we still counted in intervals of 1. Here we got 81, 82, 83. So let the learners count here to see what numbers are supposed to be here